I just thought I'd show you today is a messy assembly today. So what I do is I do all these different artworks and then I mount them. This is a 6x6 painting and then I mount it on a 8x8 cradled board. I have them kind of on it's just packing material that I found that are my razors. You know, what I raise things up on. I'm using Titebond glue. This one here, I'm starting the messy back of getting it to be all glued. It looks like I got some glue on the front of it I have to do off. Over here, I've got a big box of something of weight. This one's been glued on, but you can see I'll have to clean up the edges. And then I continually measure because it slips. So it's already slipped. So I'll have to come and measure each of these edges again, put it in place, weight it down. And I call it babysitting your art, because if you're going to be mounting these things, I have these big heavy boxes to put on all three of them that I'm going to do today, but you have to babysit because it can slide. And once it is glued with that Titebond glue, it's done. So this one, I've got 1, 2, 3. I'm going to work on that fourth one. It's a little bigger. It'll be on a different size block, but I thought I'd show you. My big boxes of paint is what I weight it down with. And when I go to weight it down, I put down a piece of basically wax paper and put my box on top for weight. I let it stay overnight, but throughout the day today, I'm going to clean up the edges and remeasure it. So I thought you might like to see that.